Okay, guys and girls, I just wanted to show you the placement of the building. I didn't glue it down yet, but I got the wires run, and that's what we got. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, it looks like someone's welding to me, but of course I made it, so what am I going to say, right? And there's a mysterious structures he's making, which we'll find out what they do a little bit later. And underneath I've got 24 volts going to the LED driver board, so I just went into a buck converter here, reduced the voltage to about 10 volts. I'm going to have another Arduino here for another building up there. And then this is the one that's running the welder. Wow, okay. So that's it. A lot more work to do though. Whoops. Pay no attention to that. Let's see, I guess I got some trains running so we can look at those. Let's see here. Maybe I haven't shown the layout in a long time. I need a quadcopter or something. There's the scene I just finished recently. So there you go, guys and gals. Said catch you on the forum. Thanks for watching.